All right, Land Rover fans, that is no easy task. I'm still wet sanding this roof. It is harder than I thought. It is no easy task. So, I'm gonna keep cracking at it. I'm not gonna, film everything. I just wanted to show you what I'm getting into. You got the idea. But yeah, I am sweating my ass off, and it is no easy task. So we'll definitely get it done. I'm not sure how far to go down on it. I do still see pitting. Right now I'm just using 2,000 grain sandpaper, wet sanding the whole roof, and we'll see how it goes. And that's all I have for right now. But yeah, I'll show you some results here when I'm done. Okay, this is the end of the video. I have went ahead, this is where I'm at. I went ahead and 2,000 grit sanded, wet sanded the roof, and cleaned it up, worked on some spots, some rough spots. But I got to the point where I was like, 2,000 grit is taking a very long time to get through to smooth it out. And I don't know, I think my mistake is not adding a fourth coat. I definitely needed a fourth coat because I'm noticing there's some low spots where I can see the primer. So that's not good. And I have a few places where I'm going to have to touch up. What I'm eventually going to do is probably put on another coat. And though I don't want to, but the paint's uneven because I wasn't, again, the process is all new, and I wasn't thorough. I wasn't thorough with the rolls, so it was very awkward working on this vehicle without proper, just having it low enough that I can get to the top, or being high enough or elevated, or it's a tall vehicle, so. If it was a different vehicle that was lower, I can see myself, I can see it coming out a lot better. But, this was an experiment anyway for me. In any case, I'll show you some more videos and pictures of the final product. Once I get the buffing done, I'm going to go ahead and buff the paint out. You're going to notice that it's going to be still pitted. But like I said, it's going to do its job. Its job is to protect the roof. Its job is to basically, it is a little aesthetic, it's not perfect. Does it look good from far away, 10 feet? Yes, it looks freaking great. And I'm not worried about the shine. If it shines, great. I'm just going to basically put some type of coating on it, either some type of wax or, I don't know, some of those polymer coatings or maybe, I don't know, but I'm going to put a coating on it. I'm not going to spend a lot of money on the coating, just something that I could put on once or twice a year or every 6 months and just kind of keep it maintained. I'm not clear coating it. I had no intentions of clear coating it. This was just a quick fix for the sun damage that was already there. And it's actually cooler in the vehicle. It keeps it a little cooler. Believe it or not, that's really nice living in the South, keeping the vehicle cool. But anyway, that's where I stand. I'll go ahead and wrap it up. Appreciate you watching. If you want to go ahead and subscribe, hopefully I'll have more videos here in the future. I'm trying to get on a set schedule, maybe once a week. I'll upload something. Right now I don't have a lot of content, but I'm working on it and I'm getting better. So bear with me. And again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.